Hey Bear fam, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super duper excited because I'm going to be doing an updated nose contour video. I'm so excited to show you guys step by step how I get my nose from looking like a piece of Play-Doh stuck on my face to a defined, super snatched contoured nose. And I'm so excited to teach you guys all my tricks and tips. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications, and let's get started.
You are now rocking with
Brittany, bitch.
So the first thing I do after I went ahead and I applied my foundation and my concealer is I like to bake my face. And baking your face is actually extremely important when you're going to be contouring your nose because you want to create a barrier on top of your face that you can add colors to and blend out and buff out. So I like to go ahead and take my translucent powder. I'm going to be using Sugar Cookie from Huda Beauty. I love this powder because it's so finely milled. It doesn't sit on top of your face. It actually just presses into the skin. So I like to begin with my under eyes. Now, here's why this is extremely important. What we are doing right now is we're creating this seamless flow between our nose and our under eye highlight. We're making sure that everything just kind of blends into one another and it's gonna look super flawless. So I'm gonna take that same translucent powder and I'm gonna be drawing a straight line down the bridge of my nose and packing that product on because we're creating that highlighted focal point. It is now time for me to show you guys what I do when I contour my nose. If you guys are new to my channel and you do not know, I have created and collaborated with Morphe brushes. They are called the 360 nose contouring brushes. They retail you for $20. I'm not trying to sell these to you, but guys, I legitimately use these brushes on my nose contour, and I do want you guys to know what products I'm using. So these are the 360 nose brushes. You have a thin brush, you have a medium-sized brush, and you have a blending brush. And I'm gonna show you guys how I use these brushes to create a perfect snatched nose. Now, I love Hoola bronzer to nose contour. I have used many different powders and I feel like Hoola is one of the very few that has that very neutral undertone to it where it doesn't leave my nose contour looking dirty. It's not too warm, it's not too ashy. It is legitimately the perfect color to give me a very natural sculpted nose. So that is the product I'm going to be using today to contour. So I personally am always going into M6. M6 is like my go-to nose contour brush for myself. So I'm just gonna go in with this powder and I'm gonna start with the corner of my eye right here where my eye socket is. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drag a line down all the way to the end of my nose. So how do you know where to apply the lines? Sometimes we get a little carried away and we want to apply the lines too close to one another, which is what's going to give that very fake looking nose. You're going to look at someone and be like, girl, you straight up have two stripes down the sides of your nose. And sometimes we assume that the further part is what's going to make it look natural. And that's not the case either. So you want to see naturally where your nose bone is and you just want to sculpt it and you want to enhance it and make it look as thin as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and go from the inner corner of the brow. And this is why I love this because it's gonna make you get the straightest line. We're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna draw a straight line down towards the end of my nose, just like that. So then I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. So going from the inner corner of my eye, I'm gonna drag a straight line down. And as you guys can see, I'm going back and forth and I'm really pressing that product into my nose all the way down to the end of my nose. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's already looking a lot straighter, a lot more sculpted, a lot more defined. If I could walk out of the house like this, trust me, I would. I used to do it all the time and I thought I looked hot. As you guys can see, I draw the two lines, but my nose now is elongated. It looks a lot longer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back into that powder and I'm going to create the illusion that my nose is more tiny, more compact. And by doing this, I'm gonna apply a darker shade, which is the Hoola bronzer, that darker powder, to the tip of my nose to shorten it. So I'm gonna go underneath and I'm gonna start applying this powder. And you're gonna see it's already shortening the length of my nose. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go into my Makeup Forever. It's a little bit dusty because I have translucent powder on it, but this is a really, really good powder. I'm gonna open this up and as you guys can see, I have the lightest shade, okay? This is the shade R210 and I'm gonna use my same brush and I'm gonna go into it and I'm gonna redefine the bridge of my nose as well as the sides of my nose using this powder. So I'm gonna go down the center of the nose just like this. okay? And then I'm gonna be going into my nose contour kit, and I'm gonna get the brush MO. MO is great for blending, so I'm gonna pack this product on, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to the sides of the nose to really define and sculpt the sides. So now what I like to do is, because I've had that translucent powder pretty much setting and baking on my face, I go back in with my sponge and I begin tapping all of that product into my under eyes, to the sides of the nose. And this is what's gonna help give me that natural sculpted contour. Okay, so I'm going in, I'm pressing everything into the skin. Now I have yet to contour the rest of my face, so if I look a little albino right now, you guys know why, okay? And then I'm gonna go back into that O brush, and I'm gonna use that excess powder, and I'm just gonna start buffing those harsh lines. Now, you wanna be very cautious about making the lines noticeable and not over blending, but at the same time, allowing people to see the definition, because I have seen so many people contour noses, and I've had makeup artists contour my noses. I only have one nose. My nose. And they went through this extreme process. I mean, let me tell you, I was like, wow, this person knows how to contour. She sat there, he sat there, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, sculpted me out. I was so excited. I'm like, finally, someone is going to make my nose look the way I like it to look. And at the end of it, I literally looked like Squidward, because they overblended everything. And that is why it is so important to be very cautious that when you're applying product, you still want it to be noticeable, but in a very subtle way where it's not too intense, but you're getting that definition. And that is why I leave that translucent powder, because it still gives me that opportunity to have that. All right, guys, so after I spent a couple minutes just really defining, contouring, sculpting out the nose the way that I have envisioned it, what I like to do is I like to add a highlighter. Now, the highlighter, in my opinion, is what makes the nose contour go from like, okay, it looks decent, to like, oh my god, I understand, I get it. But it's all about finding the right color of highlight and the perfect tone for you as an individual. I personally love the Manizer sisters, I guess this is what it's called. It's from the BALM Cosmetics, and they sell it individually as well, but it's the Mary Luminizer. This is one of my as you guys can see, it's like legit my favorite contour bronzer. It has like a little blush highlighter, and it has a bright highlighter. I like to use my finger. I grab it on the tip of my finger, and on the bottom right here on the ball of my nose, I want to create a focal point. So I apply a little bit of that powder, just like that. And then I want to highlight the bridge. So I'm going to start at the top, and I'm going to carry it downward, and I'm just going to leave a tiny space right here, just a little matte space in the middle, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to highlight this up. Alright, Bear Fam, so as you guys can see, I went off camera to finish off my makeup. I kept it really simple today just to kind of focus on the nose contour, and I know you guys notice it. This is basically how I contour my nose. I feel like if you guys really take your time to understand how to nose contour, why we nose contour, and what we're trying to achieve when we are nose contouring, and you break it down in those 3 categories, it becomes really easy, and then you begin to kind of see what exactly you need to do and how you need to do it. One thing I would recommend, guys, if you are starting out, is to obviously purchase brushes that are going to help you nose contour. I love my brushes, but this is something that makes it super easy for me to obviously contour my nose all the time. Another product I would really recommend for you guys to look into is finding a really, really light powder. And I love MAC Studio Fix, and I love Makeup Forever, the one that I showed you. Actually, those are my 2 favorite powders to contour my nose right now at the moment. And you want it to be super, super light. That is going to help draw your focal point. Now, obviously, you want to cater the shade based on your complexion, but in my opinion, going like 3 to 4 shades lower than your actual skin color is what's going to give you that vibrancy. And another thing is obviously a great bronzer. I love Hoola once again because of the undertones in it. I love that, you know, it doesn't leave me ashy. It's not too warm. As you guys can see, I have a nose contour, but it's not like all in your face. It doesn't look like I have 2 lines down the sides of my nose. You see the definition, but it's in the perfect way so that it enhances things, but it doesn't make you look crazy. So with that being said, guys, that is my updated nose contour routine. This has given me the confidence to really just like boost my self-esteem, and that is why I nose contour, and I absolutely love it. And if you guys are interested, I will go ahead and post the link down below on where you guys can purchase my brushes, my Morphe brushes. With that being said, guys, I'm gonna give my post notification shout out to my girl, Nameless Makeup. I thank you so much for watching my videos and having your post notifications on. If you guys want a shout out, turn them on, comment when done. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see all of my bear family in the next video. Bye, guys.